Hi, we have talked last time about how to create a new branch and how to work on that branch and how to create the how to merge that branch into the default branch. And now we are going to talk about how to um, what to do if the branches are conflicting between each other. And what does it mean conflicting? For instance, now we have the branch. Now we are on the temp branch, right? We are going to our file and we are going to modify something in the file. For instance, uh, let's say adding another command on, on a temp branch, right? Let's save it. Now, going back, what we're gonna do, git status, git add everything, and git commit, adding new command to a new branch. Alright, now let's switch our branch. Master, git status. Alright. Whenever you open your code now, the new branch, you're not gonna see what was written on the other one. Instead, you see the different stuff. Like let's add some other commands. New command on master branch. We have modified something, and we have closed this. And now we gonna see that there's something modified, and we're in the master branch, right? We are doing git add everything, the normal standard stuff, right? Git commit, and we're gonna leave the message and say that adding command as a master branch. Cool. Now, in order to merge those two branches, what we're gonna do is to write git merge. We're gonna write the message of the merging temp and master, and we're gonna merge it with temporary. Let me check the name of that branch in order not to make the mistake. It's temp, right? It used to be on the temp before. Let's go ahead. It says conflict. The merge conflict in ML Python. The automatic merge failed. Fix conflicts and then commit the results. Now, what you're gonna do, without panicking, you're going to the ML models, and as soon as you go to ML models, you're gonna have this one. It's head, and this one is temp. Head means current change, and that means the change in the other repository. So what you're gonna do? You're gonna save this one, or you're gonna save this one. Alright? So I wanna save both of them. Alright? I'm okay with both of them. I'm emptying everything. I'm keeping all of them. And I see that some commands are extra. For example, this command is extra. New comment on master branch is extra. Now I'm saving this file. I'm closing it. Now let's try again. Git merge. We're gonna leave the command merging try to, and we're merging with the temp. Merge is not possible because you haven't merged files. Fix them up in the work tree and use the git add. Okay, I have to add again the file, okay, because in the git status, since we have done some modifications, we have to add those files again. We need to commit them. Committing the merged files. No, what did I do? What did I do? How did I get in this? All right, yeah. Git commit again. So in order to get those what you write up, you need to click on the up arrow. So it's gonna give you the last one. It's committed, right? Now if you go to the git status, you're gonna see there's nothing to commit. So now we're doing git merge, and we're leaving our message merging try 3 with a temp. Already up to date. So we have already merged, because when we did the merge there was a conflict. We have fixed the conflict and we did the commit. That means that now this file is containing our merged version. So that's it. Thank you very much for your attention. Hope it was useful, and see you next time.